All right, so first and foremost, we starting with the spray. You need to make sure you layer it up, you know what I'm saying? Make sure everything is moisturized, because you want to go ahead and add product that's going to be too, you know what I'm saying, dry for your skin, and your skin is important. Now, first we're going to start with the goddamn squeezy pad. We call this the Squeezy Pad 3000, you know what I'm saying? You can find this at your local dollar store, Dollar General, you know what I'm saying? Tap that on your face while you add it on the chocolate dew. You know what I'm saying? The chocolate dew is what's going to be the first layer that's going to begin the process of, you know what I'm saying, cake up makeup. You feel me? Yeah, yo, I don't know, bro. I might be a good at this, bro. Cake up makeup, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that you put it under the air, because if you forget to put it under the air, we're gonna have a problem, because you're gonna be like, dang, the portion of your face look like two different skin tones. But the way to mix that in, chameleonaire type stuff, you make sure you put it up under the air. You get it on the forehead, you get it on the nose, underneath the eyes, above your lip. You don't put it on your lips, because then it's gonna look crazy. Then we go ahead and take the, you know what I'm saying, the lipstick, and then we put precisely 3 dots everywhere, because you blend it in. And now I can't tell that you even did anything with that, but don't worry about it. You take the 3 dots, you put it on your face, and then you go ahead and you slide that in. I don't understand. Okay. Yeah, and don't you forget a spot. Your cheekbones is very important places on your face, because these are the certain features that everybody's going to be looking at. You know what I'm saying? They're going to be looking at, you know, your face structure, your forehead, chin outline, things like that. And this we real excited about, you know what I'm saying? This one right here, we take the paintbrush out, and I know you ain't seen the paintbrush all this whole video, but we got a whole set of them, you know what I'm saying? We got big brushes. It goes all the way up to the old school brooms, you know what I'm saying? But don't worry about it. We're gonna start here with the small Van Gogh, and we're gonna go ahead and get those little details around every little important feature. Told you about the lips, the cheekbones, and the forehead. Now, did not? I was telling y'all. So now we here on the nose. We outlined it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that's done. Pull out the Squeezy 3000. Make sure that we go ahead and pat that in. Pat. Boom. Make sure everything's blended properly. Ain't nothing better than a nice blended, you know what I'm saying? You know, face. Yeah, so we went ahead and got the new brush. This brush right here is pretty much like top of the line, you know what I'm saying? I got this from Dollar General for $2.99. Now, I don't know if the prices vary at your local, you know what I mean, Dollar General. I don't know if they was upcharging due to COVID, but it don't matter. We made sure that we got this brush, and then we went ahead and got our Squeezy 3000 and made sure we blended it in again. That's just simply how it goes. I mean, like, I really can't tell you. I really can't tell you. Okay, now we got the 3. Look, 1, 2. Last time, like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, last time we had, you know what I'm saying, added something like that, it was like football game day, and it was time. It was that time, you know what I'm saying? But in this case, you know what I'm saying, you want to make sure that you add your little chocolate 3000 on your face, put it right in the corners of your eyes, right here. I think those are the areas of where your eyes look real sleepy. Zoom in on my face. Okay, all right, bet. You don't want to look real sleepy. Boom, put them right there. Bow, and then we good. You know what I'm saying? And again, this is a different brush. This limited edition. As you can tell, the tips of this bristle is brown. You feel me? Squeezy 3000 activated. Pat on the forehead, just to let them know I'm thinking. That's just simply as that. You know what I'm saying? Bring it in with the little Van Gogh. Okay, the Van Gogh is activated. And then we go ahead and we put that around the eyelids, you know what I'm saying? Because the eyelids is very important features, you know what I'm saying? There's something about the eyelids that we clearly don't know about, but today you gonna know, all right? Today, when you're done with this tutorial, you're gonna be ready, you know what I'm saying? Squeezy 3000 activated. Make sure we get all that extra stuff off, you know what I mean? Okay, we added on this white substance that goes along the lines and the cheekbones to blend in properly, you know what I'm saying? As you see, we went 3 layers already. Now we on our 4th, and we're just going ahead and get those little outliers, and then we go ahead and go around the eyes, and yeah, around the forehead. That's just how we do, you know what I'm saying? This is where it gets crazy. Remember the brown dots that we put on the face earlier? You know what I'm saying? That's just simply how it is, you know what I mean? So boom, This is a different brush. We got a whole nother brush. This is brush number 4 in the building. A lot of y'all may not have this many brushes. Use what you can. You feel me? Use what you can. Okay. Holy moly. What is going on in this video? Jesus Christ. All this, man. Okay, zombie alert. We are here. Feel me? We got the small utensil. This is the smallest brush we use yet. This is just to make sure we get all those extra, you know what I'm saying, areas of the faceage, because we did not cover it already. We did not get to any of the facial features that is available to be touched while you're doing your makeup. I don't understand the dot situation. Why are we continuing to put the dots on here? But don't worry about it. We got it, bruh. The dots, they be changing stuff. Dots, they just, all the colors going crazy. We got gold, brown, brownish brown, royal brown, final brown. Like, you know what I'm saying? Now we activating the eyebrows. You feel me? We got this eyebrow brush, and then we got a Sharpie marker that goes very detailed and fine. I don't know if you're cutting or sharpening them up. Yo, are you shaping up your eyebrows with a pencil? Are you really? Are we okay? Is that yo, I ain't gonna lie to you. Why don't the barber do that for my headline? Right now, headline looking crazy, but that ain't got nothing to do with it. That's either here nor there. But how are you shaping up your eyebrows with this one thing? Yo, this is legendary. Hold on. And then you take the outline like a shade on the, they tell you, say, yo, you ever added a drop shadow to your photo? This is the, whoa, I didn't know you could do that. This is all that it takes? Just a little, no way. Oh, hey, yo, look how the symmetrical features of the brownish, because you seen the lighter brown than the darker brown, and now they just blend in. How you do that? Oh, you a legend. Is that a razor? Oh, that's not a razor. Okay. So we're taking the paintbrush Van Gogh style, square rectangle style, and we're just going to strictly go around the outline of the eyebrow, because that must stand out once we're done. Because I don't know how you just did that, but that's legendary. Nice, that's some legendary stuff there. How did you manage? She used no clippers. I don't even need clippers. No clippers. What was that? Okay. Let's get it, man. Hold on. All right, we're not done here. Tutorial back activated. Now, let's go. We're back out with the brush. You feel me? This is brush number 5. If we have to go on count, number 5. This is a medium brown tip. The other one was a large brown tip. Now we got the medium brown tip. We're going around the outline of your eye windshield. You know what I'm saying? We're going around that. Then we're gonna, you know what I mean? Clean it up, dust. They use this in a barbershop too. If you ever had extra hair on you, you know what I'm talking about. They use this too, and for some reason they use it on their face now, because this gets all the extra caked up makeup off their face. You know what I'm saying? Simply as put, we spray our face just like you're done with a haircut. You put on the lip gloss. The lip gloss makeup. Is that lip gloss makeup? What is that? Lip gloss used to come in a stick. This is paintbrush makeup on the lips. Okay, we got gloss with, so we got, oh, what is that? Okay, so we got lipstick, and then you apply a glossy coat of your favorite lip gloss. We dust one more time to make sure we get everything off. All the features are dry. How do you know your face dry? You just sprayed your face. Okay, and then we use the brush again. We use this thing. I don't know what's that is. Why is it shiny? Why is it shiny? Why is it shiny? What is that? Then we use a Sharpie marker on the bottom of our, yo, you got precision like that where you could go ahead and clean up. You could get right there. You know how hard it is to put a contact in? Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. Okay. My sister is legendary. Hold on, guys. Look. If y'all ain't already sub, please go sub to the sis right now. This is legendary stuff. I've never seen nothing on the circumference of circumferences. I ain't never seen nothing like this. This is goated. This is goated. One more spray. Hey, one more spray. Hey, extra spray. Yo, your face not gonna dry. It's by the end of this video. Is your face gonna dry? Why close your eyes like that? And then we pose one time for the one time to let them know yo, sis, you can't be blowing no kisses because there's men out there, and then they, you know what I'm saying? So I don't understand